How to create EA account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your mobile device. For now, I'm going to be using Safari, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the search bar, go ahead and type in ea.com and then search for it. Now once your interface looks like this, go ahead and tap on this kind of icon, tap onto it, and then simply tap on create account. Now after you tap onto it, this interface is gonna open up in your screen. You can easily create your account using these platforms, or you can type in your country and date of birth manually. So for now, I'm gonna be using my Google account to create my EA account. So if you would like to do the same, tap on Google. Now from here, select your Google account, tap on continue. Now you wanna go ahead and tick all of this box. So tick it. And then once you're done, tap on continue again. Now after that, in this page, you'll then be asked to enter your country or region. Once you're done, tap on next again. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select this box. Go ahead and select it all and then tap on create account. Now simply tap on finish. And as you can see, we have successfully created our EA account. Well, that is how you can simply do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.